Hello and welcome to our new tutorial. Today I want to present you my basic tutorial for a virtual audio cable setup, to separate game volume from a communication volume such as TeamSpeak. So let's start. First of all, open your internet browser and search for virtual audio cable. Often the link will be hidden on the second page of the search result, so be aware. But for this case I will also put a link of this website into the video description. After you have find the correct internet address like me, feel free to open it. It will most likely look like some sort of virus infected website, but this is the original website for virtual audio cable and can be trusted. Now scroll down until you find the download section. Here you can download a trial version of virtual audio cable. Make sure to test virtual audio cable with the trial version before you will buy it, so you won't do a false purchase. Also you can fulfill my tutorial with the trial version, so this would be perfect to test it. After you have tested it, you need to buy virtual audio cable with the link showed in the video. Follow the introductions, and after a successful purchase you will get an email with a download link in it. Use this to download virtual audio cable like I did. And be sure to buy it so you will support the publisher, so they can improve the software. So now after you have downloaded virtual audio cable, open your download folder. You will see the downloaded version. To extract the downloaded zip file you can create a new folder like me or use an old one. The name of the folder is not important, but be sure that you will find this folder again. Now extract it. Now you have a folder full of files. But firstly you need to install the driver for VAC. For this you need to check your operating system if it is a 64-bit version or a 32-bit version. I have a 64-bit version, so I do not use the normal setup.exe, I will use the setup64.exe. Press yes 2 times in a row to continue. Be sure to read the license agreement, as it is very important. Press I accept. After you read the license agreement like me, do not check the I am a advanced user box. Now you can set the destination of your installation. But before you install any new driver, make sure that you have uninstalled all related driver for virtual audio cable. After you have checked this, install the driver. As explained before, you now need to select the folder of which operating system you use. For your information, x86 stands for 32-bit and x64 for 64-bit. Now run wrqclh as an administrator. After you done this, you can set some kind of quality options. But they are not important for us right now. On the top left of this application you will see driver parameters. Here you need to set cables from 1 to 2 and press set. After this you can exit this application. Now you need to start audio repeater twice. As you can see, now we have two new playback devices caused by the wrqclh application. Line 1 will be our main output for the normal Windows usage, and line 2 will be our communication output for TeamSpeak, Mumble, or Skype. In the first audio repeater, wave in need to be line 1 and wave out need to be your main playback device like your headset. The second audio repeater need to be line 2 and wave in, and also your main playback device in wave out. Wave out need to be the same on both so it will work. Now start both of them. Open a program like TeamSpeak that I use for this example. Go to Options. Playback and set your playback device as line 2. Now you see that the only sound output from TeamSpeak is through line 2, which we can hear, as it is connected with our main playback device, the headset, for example. But to ensure that TeamSpeak will not be in our normal Windows usage sound output, we need to set line 1 as our default device. Now you are ready to go. But one thing to note: pin the audio repeater to your taskbar, as you need to set them every time anew if you restart your computer or so. I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.